first heard about the Bulletproof coffee, I thought, butter in your coffee? Gross! But I do love butter, so I was intrigued. When I went on the keto diet, I realized, what have I been missing all my life? This is delicious and it's filling. I wasn't the one who created it, wish I had. Dave Asprey did, and he's also written a book, Bulletproof Diet. And so the basic Bulletproof coffee is with hot brewed coffee, up to 2 tablespoons of grass-fed butter, and up to 2 tablespoons of MCT oil. He's come up with his own brand of Brain Octane MCT oil, which I don't have. But in order to make this an iced coffee, we can't use the butter, because who wants buttery chunks in their coffee? Not me. So I've made a few adaptations. Here's how we do it. Okay, so I've blended up my delicious iced Bulletproof coffee with just 3 ingredients. The chilled coffee that I made this morning, my MCT oil, and instead of butter, because we don't want buttery chunks, we have used heavy cream. So now the good yummy add-ins. I, of course, love a little cinnamon. So you can choose if you like that or not in your coffee. I think it adds a great warmth and flavor. I also like vanilla extract. That's always yummy in my coffee. I use sweet leaf stevia, liquid stevia. They have toffee flavor, vanilla flavor. Vanilla would be really good, but today I just want full coffee flavor, so I'm using clear. To taste, obviously. I like my iced coffee sweet, so it's 3 squirts. I use also a pinch of sea salt. You'd be surprised, but it really works. A little bit of sea salt kind of works in the coffee. You don't need a lot, just a little. It just kind of makes everything marry, and that's what I like. Another thing you can use, but I'm not using today, is collagen. Vital Proteins collagen peptides is really good. They do have flavored collagen peptides. It's a great source of protein if you're having this in the afternoon and you want it to hold you over as a snack and you feel like the coffee won't be enough. It's filling enough with the MCT oil for me, but again, you can definitely add in a scoop or 2 of the protein. And the biggest ingredient that you might be surprised about, which I decided one day, okay, so you can blend this up as is. It's perfect. You can add it over ice, just blend it up, you've got your coffee, you're good to go. Iced Bulletproof coffee, all the way and delicious. But if you want to make it a step up, you want to make it a little bit better, I've made it into a smoothie by thickening it up. And I tried different things. I tried protein powder, I tried the collagen, and I still wasn't getting that nice, thick, frappy kind of iced coffee that I wanted. So I went to my fridge and I found my xanthan gum, and it works. It thickens this iced coffee like a smoothie. So I'll blend it up and show you what it looks like. So I've blended my iced Bulletproof coffee up. I didn't add any more ice to it. You can if you want. I just like ice in my cup. And that's it. Then I'm just going to pour it in. It gives you a good, delicious amount. There's even a little extra and too much for my cup here. Add your straw. It is so good. It is so creamy. That xanthan gum in there really, really, really works. You don't have to do that, like I said, but to me, this is luscious. And now I can take off, go about my day, enjoy this for the afternoon, and that's my snack. I'm not having anything else in between my lunch and dinner. This is it, and this will work. Hope you enjoy it. If you love it and you try it, please comment and let me know. Tell me any changes you might have made to it. And until then, enjoy iced coffee every day, Bulletproof style. That's the best way. Ciao.